Capstone Assignment 2: Arctic Changes in Polar Regions. Alaska and the Arctic are shown to be altered due to climate change. These areas are important, where the United States' decisions to adapting to climate change, the resource development, trade, and national security directly depend on the future climate of Alaska and the Arctic. Climate change and its adaptation shows spatial diversity in the polar regions, such as the tree line moving northward in some areas to the Arctic. This is an example of how climate change is altering the conditions and ecosystems of the Arctic. There are changes in the polar region shown in the AR5 model, which shows evidence of warming temperatures with land in the Arctic since the 20th century. The surface water temperatures have also warmed in the northern hemisphere, warming to more rapidly than the air temperatures in the region. Surface temperature controls the melting of ice and snow, where the Arctic surface temperatures increase, resulting in the warming of the Arctic. Records of the Arctic and Alaskan surface temperature of the past 50 years shows that anthropogenic climate change is the likely cause of the warming. Additionally, Arctic sea ice is also being influenced by the changing climate. Since 1979, the annual average Arctic sea ice has decreased at a rate of about 4% per decade. To combat the changing Arctic and Alaskan climate, there needs to be enhanced monitoring and regulation. This will sustain the resources of the ecosystem, keeping the Arctic safe from destruction. Climate change and the Arctic have connections to environmental factors that alter culture and economic development. Food security for residents in the Arctic is being altered by climate change. Food webs are decreasing due to the struggling survival of species who live in the region.